In this video, I'll show you how to recover a Kraken account. First, go to the Kraken sign-in page and click Sign In. If you've forgotten your password, select Forgot Your Password to begin the recovery process. Now, enter the email address linked to your Kraken account and submit the request. Kraken will send you a password reset email. Open the email and click the reset link, then create a new, strong password and sign in again. If you can't access your two-factor authentication device, return to the sign-in page and select the option to recover your account or troubleshoot your sign-in issue. Follow the prompts to verify your identity. Depending on your account settings, you may need to provide additional information before access can be restored. Next, if you've lost access to your email address or you're unable to complete the recovery process, visit the Kraken Support Center and submit an account recovery request. Provide as much information as possible so the support team can verify your identity and help restore access to your account. Finally, once you've recovered your account, review your security settings, update your password if needed, and make sure your two-factor authentication is enabled before continuing to use your account. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to recover a Kraken account. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.